Guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Repurpose AI online on your computer. And now let's start writing. Now to sign into your Repurpose account on your PC, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in repurpose.io like this and don't enter. And you'll be directed to this page, which is the home page of the Repurpose AI. Or you can just simply search for Repurpose login on the Google itself like this, and you can see same kind of website will appear on the search result of Google over here. Click on the repurpose IO and not the .com or the globals. Let's go on the IO, and you can see guys, both of these pages are same. One is from the Google search result and one was from the direct web address we type. So let's go on these now. In order to log into your repurpose IO account, at the top right corner of this page you can see the start free trial and the login button available over here. Simply click on login, or if you have not yet created an account on Repurpose AI, click on start free trial to get started with the registration process of the Repurpose. And with that being said, let's click on login. And over here you can see the sign up as well as the sign in tabs available. But if you have not created an account, as again I said earlier, you can go to the sign up process from over here. Let's skip this and go to the sign in. Now in order to sign in to your Repurpose account, you'll be required to enter your email address which you had signed up for your Repurpose account like this. First enter your email address and then enter your password over here like this. And you can see guys, if you have forgotten your password, you'll be able to retrieve your Repurpose AI account's password from over here, the forgot password button. If you click on the forgot password, you'll be redirected to a page where you can retrieve or reset your password of your Repurpose AI account. With that being said, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on sign in, and then you will be signed in or logged into your Repurpose account immediately. With that being said, this is how you sign into your Repurpose AI account guys. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.